up, buddy? Woo! Hey, crazy. Hey, crazy. Look at that snowdrift, huh? Go climb through that, bud. Winter Cane 2013, what do you want to call it? I call it nasty. I haven't seen drifts like this, honestly, since the blizzard of 78. There's been some storms. President's storm of 2003. There was the April Fool's storm in 97, which might have actually given us more snow. It was a heavy, pasty snow. This is dry, it's about 20 degrees out. You can even hear me. And we're pushing through it. Good size. It's pretty amazing now. You can tell the shoreline got shattered. We just had high tide. Maybe a half an hour ago, so it still should be pretty up. On the other side, the Bayview side, the Ipswich Bay, that direction. Almost lost another glove. I lost one earlier today. I don't know what the heck happened to that thing. A black glove and white. You would think, well, it would stick out, but they're so crazy, it might have just simply been buried. This is very sloppy, slushy, ocean water, slush. The waves are still coming in. Poor little pine tree. Probably hasn't seen. Well, this year actually, after Sandy and that nor'easter, I think that little pine tree has seen the ocean come up. But here it comes. It's still coming, and we're past high tide. I see way out there, there's some monster waves. If you could see, I'm going to try to pan out to the distance. You see those mountains? There are mountainous waves out there. And there was a report not long ago that in East Gloucester on Salt Island, a house that's say maybe 30 feet up on a boulder cliff was taken into the ocean. Now that tells you how powerful these waves of this storm is. Sandy didn't do it, the perfect storm didn't do it, but this storm did it. There's Dexter, my faithful companion in these storms. Some contrast, gray and white, red and white. Here comes another wave. Slopping up here. It's gonna get me a little bit. Pan this view. Beautiful, yet furious. I hope everyone's safe out there.